What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sharon Njoki, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I curl my hair using 10 rods, only 10, and I will link where I get them from at a very affordable price. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. So I start by splitting my hair into two. I split my hair depending on the kind of style I want to have at the end. Oh, and I forgot to mention that I was recording this video at 1 a.m. because KPLC decided to do their thing on that day. Anyway, this is my hair after DIY treating it. I made a video. I actually even edited it, but I lost the footage. But yeah, I will record another video as a DIY and will be posting it on my channel sometime on my channel, so stay tuned. Then after splitting my hair into two, I leave out a portion of it and start with the curling process. And then I section my hair depending on how big or how small I want my curls to be. Then I take a rod and curve one end of it, then fit the curve down on the root of my hair, of my sectioned hair, and begin to curl my hair strands on the rod. Then I'm getting to the tip of my hair. I make sure I lock the rod so that my hair doesn't unravel. And then I slowly twist the rod into like a C. Yeah, it's very easy and it's very fast depending on the length of your hair. I proceed with the same process the rest of my hair. Yeah, so you can watch the video and I hope you understand how I go through with the process. There are other methods of how you can curl your hair using the same rods. One is horseshoe method, and it doesn't work for my hair because my hair is quite long, but I will definitely on my channel will be posting videos on how I still use the same rods to curl my hair in different ways. And then I always try and ensure that the hair sections are equal so that I don't have other sections being bigger than others or smaller than others. And this ensures that the curls are uniform.
A few moments later.
Then I finally finished fixing the flex rods. It was past 1 a.m. so I was going to sleep, so I had this overnight and had them out the following day. And I am finally already ready to take out the flex rods, and this is how my hair is looking like. It is curled effortlessly. So the process is easy, as you can see. Yeah, my hair is curled and I was very pleased with the results. Then I take an extra step to separate the curls using my fingers to make them fuller and easier to style. And then I make sure I go through my hair using the same process. I am so pleased. I'm so happy with how it turned out. It had been so long ever since I did this to my hair. Next week's video will be on how I style my curled hair without losing the curls. Anyway guys, that will be all for this week's video. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye guys.